Pat and Heidi from Rain Country, and today we are celebrating our 10,000 subscribers. I don't know how many view hours we have.
I don't know, it's over, we're about at 750,000 views.
Yeah, wow. And so we just wanted to come on and thank everybody for showing interest in our channel and our content. What we really wanted to focus on as well as that is reminiscing of the time, was about a year and a half ago.
A year and a half ago when we started.
Me and Heidi were talking about that this morning, and a year and a half ago we started up our channel, and we had a lot of support from some bigger channels, and we just wanted to give them a little bit of credit and shout out. But we also, stay tuned, we also have a drawing for some of our more loyal viewers and participators, whether it comes from just viewing our content and commenting, sharing. Heidi's got an Etsy page up there, or Etsy store, that she sells different things on. There's just so many different ways that our viewers have helped us out. They've purchased things through Amazon, through
the Amazon links. They purchase stuff through our Amazon links, and we get a little bit of financial benefit from that. And that
right,
really
it doesn't cost you anything, but it really helps us out. Right. And you can do that with any of the channels that you like to view.
Yep.
So just pick out your favorite channels, and if you order anything on Amazon, go through their affiliate link and help support them. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but they get a little benefit at the end of the month. You know, it's not leaps and bounds, but every little bit helps to help you guys bring content that's favorable to your liking.
Even though our Patreon is open to everyone, I don't have any special, where you have to donate anything to be a part. You can view any of our content that we put up there. We still have a few people that support us through Patreon, and those are some of the people that we've added to the bowl, to the drawing. So yeah.
A lot of people, they have different ways of supporting us, and it's not necessarily financially, but it's also by the way of encouragement and different things like that. Not everybody can give, and we like it just the same. We really appreciate the participation that you have with us, and so things like that, all across the board, really help us out in delivering you guys some content that hopefully you guys are gleaning information from. And we glean information from you guys. Another way people help us out is by commenting down below, thinking, well, did you try it this way, or have you tried that? No, we haven't. But we're willing to do that, providing, people are patient with us and we got time to do it. So
well, and just so you know too, that even just watching our videos, if you watch our videos because you enjoy them, just doing that helps us out both in boosting our channel and in monetarily as well, because we get a little more for our view time. So that so if you can't afford, even just doing that is so great. And especially when you come in and give it a thumbs up and you share and you comment, that does a lot for our channel, and we really appreciate that. So even I've got names in this bowl that
come from all different.
From all of those, or they get on Facebook and they interact on Facebook quite a bit and
share information
and share what how my videos have helped them learn how to do this, and then they share what they've made, and I love that. Like there's one lady that recently made an apron based off my pattern, but sewed it all completely by hand with no machine, and she's been sharing the pictures of that and different things that she's done, and it's just very, very great. So anyway, let's get on to our big channel shout outs to start off with, and thank yous to them, because they really helped get our channel off the ground. And the first one,
this is not in any particular order, is it?
no, it's not in any particular order, but I'm going to name the first one first because they were the first ones to give us a shout out.
Oh, okay.
And that was Deep South Homestead.
Right. Danny and Wanda down there at Deep South. We really want to thank you guys. We remember you. We still do remember you. We appreciate the interaction.
We may not get in on your live shows as often as we used to be able to, but we still think about you and appreciate you so much.
Danny and Wanda are just textbook knowledge on real time down there. They do all kinds of different things. Danny's been in the building trades and he knows how to grow just about anything down there in the Deep South. And we really appreciate the friendship and appreciate all of the leg up that they've given us over the last year and a half.
Yeah, so, several channel shout outs they've done for us, so that's been very much appreciated.
Right. Doug and Stacy from Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. Thank you guys so much for all of you guys that all of you guys have done for us. Stacy's given Heidi shout outs on her skirts, and that has blossomed into a wonderful resource for us to be able to keep on giving you this content. Doug has been on the phone with us several hours and talking with us. Stacy as well. They're very personable, down to earth, and just very much eager to help us to get to where we're at today. So thank you very much, Doug and Stacy.
Another one was Big Family Homestead. They Krista gave us a shout out on one of their live shows. You know, it was still early in our beginnings, and Brad did an interview with me. Mr. Rain couldn't be there because it was the middle of the day and he was at work, but he did an interview with me that he put on his that they put up on their channel, and that was very cool. And I apologize for anyone who goes back and watches that. I didn't realize that my mic was causing a weird echo during that interview, but it was still a very fun interview, and I enjoyed that and really appreciated the time that Brad and Krista put in to help. Even just talking to them on the phone, just very helpful and us understanding YouTube and just again getting us off the ground.
Full Spectrum Survival.
Another Brad.
Yeah.
And Kelly.
Brad and Kelly. They have two channels. They have Full Spectrum Survival, which is more of a survival-based, news-based, world news preparedness. Well, I was going to say both their channels are focused around living small and survival type applications, real time. Brad has always been supportive of us in our channel content. He gets in there and he comments every now and then. And I know those two are really busy, and all of these channels are really busy. But yeah, Full Spectrum Survival. They have Off Grid with Brad and Kelly, and they have a tiny house, and they are doing the off-grid thing. You can kind of see them develop their property that they have. It's pretty exciting to see that kind of thing. They're living most people's dreams, so go check them out. Again, that's Full Spectrum Survival and Off Grid with Brad and Kelly. So.
And then the last one I wanted to mention was Dirtpatcheaven. Julie and John have just been awesome, so wonderful and very helpful. And Julie is always giving us shout outs and talking about my skirts and even some of my different blog pages, from Steam It to whatever, and always making a mention of it in our live shows, it seems. And it always surprises me every single time she does that. And so Julie, I really thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your support. You and John have truly just been wonderful people, and we appreciate you so much and everything that you've done, and enjoy your friendship.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is just 5 channels. I know that there are more out there. These are the 5 main channels that kind of got us launched into the right direction. You know, they have viewers that they're sending over to us all the time. So thanks again. You know, we can't thank you guys enough for what you've done for us and what you're doing for us.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and move on to our drawing. Now, I know when we hit the 8,000 subscribers, I said I was going to do a drawing for something bigger, but I really have a hard time because we have so many great followers. You know, they, like we mentioned before, they interact in all different formats with us and have been supportive of us in so many different ways that, you know, it's hard for me to just draw one name every time. So what I decided to do was do 3 smaller things and draw 3 winners. So there wouldn't just be one. What each package is going to have one of the skillet handle covers, and these are all made from organic cotton, 100% organic cotton. And so
y'all notice that I have the cast iron skillet and Heidi doesn't.
He didn't trust me to hold it.
That's by design. So if anybody has worked with cast iron before, you know that the handles get hot, and we use these things every single day.
Yep.
And so you slip those on there. We just have these hanging over top of the
That's why I put
fireplace. They
yeah.
have a little hook on there, a little loop. And again, they're made from 100% cotton. They slip right on there and keep your little hands from getting burnt.
There's a couple other colors there, and the pumpkin and the mixed berry. And then there's these ones here. These ones are kind of my own design I came up with. Well, I made up the design for that one too. It's pretty simple. And these ones are multi-purpose. We probably use these ones more than our other ones because we do so much stuff on our wood stove that the handles of everything get hot. So it fits perfectly over my teapot. It's great for if you watched my the video when I was making bread in our camp oven, and I use those to grab either side of the bread pan or big stainless steel pots. These are just a really great size. It works great for our coffee pot too. And again, I put little loops at the end because we like to hang ours on the little nails that we have right above our fireplace, our wood stove. So 2 of those, and then 1 of the skillet handle covers, and then a bar soap of my handmade soap, my herbal handmade soap, and a lip balm, and some of our medicinal herb seeds grown right here in Rain Country, organically. And this is going to be something like marshmallow, maybe feverfew, and a couple others. So some of our own seeds. So that's what you're going to get in your package.
All healthy stuff.
Yeah, all good stuff that everybody can use in some way.
Right. So
we were trying to make it very multi-purpose and
universal, yeah,
and to be useful for everyone.
Right.
So
you know, even if you take like cast iron pans, hunting or camping or whatever like that, those little handles are pretty handy to have. They don't take up much room, and they're most certainly a hand saver. So we're gonna start drawing names. Or
yeah,
what?
we're gonna start drawing names. So
all right, let's get down to it.
I've got the bowl here, mixing everything up. I'll lift it up here so I can't see what I'm touching here.
Okay, am I supposed to be drawing now?
We'll take turns. So Mr. Rain's gonna draw the first name.
Make sure I grab one.
You just have one. Oh,
Sally Grace.
yeah. You know
Sally
who
Grace
you are.
Woodward, yeah.
Yep, Sally Grace Woodward, or SG.
Yep, she has been a influence from us from the start.
Yep, she's been
And
one of our early ones.
she's supported us in all facets. So, without further ado, it's you.
Okay, mix it up again. You want to hold it this time and then I'll draw?
Okay.
Not like it makes a difference, but okay. Hey, I gotta be able to reach it. Okay. So, Penn Woodsman.
Oh yeah. Penn, he's always getting on our videos and commenting. Thank you.
Yeah, I appreciate it. So, oh, and by the way,
he's got a channel, so go check him out.
Don't forget, we still have one more name to draw, but in case I forget to say it later, if we draw your name, make sure that you email us at raincountryhomestead@gmail.com with your address that you would like us to ship these items to. Okay, so it's your turn to draw again.
I get to draw twice. Neener, neener, neener. Blank.
Is it? No, it's not. Turn it over. Leona Strava. I think that's how you pronounce
Is that what that says, Mom?
Well, I have.
This is Mama's writing, so.
So
I know it says
Leona.
Leona.
I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing if it's Strava or Strava, but anyway, you know who you are, and I might still have your address, but go ahead and email me again just in case, and with that address, and we'll get these items shipped off to you as soon as possible.
Bought lots of skirts and stuff.
Yeah, she bought some skirts for me and just interacted a lot on our YouTube. So there we go. There's our 3 winners for this.
Now we appreciate everybody we've got in this bowl. We have a lot of people in that little bowl.
I wish I could send everybody something, but
yeah, so
I'm working myself to death making all this stuff anyway.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, she's on the mend though.
Yeah, I'm still
likes to stay busy, and she loves it when she gets an Etsy notification.
Yeah, it's that's why I'm wearing this. It kind of helps remind me to just sort of be careful, and it keeps it warm. But it's a long process healing because I have a hard time not doing stuff. I did the same thing many years ago. When we put this new floor into this dance room, it's a floating hardwood floor, and I was so excited, and I did a big old leap across the floor, a grand jeté, and first day on the floor, and I sprained my ankle, and it took the whole dance year to heal up because I couldn't stay off of it. But that's just
kind of like a Grey Poupon for all of you guys that
grand jeté.
You guys are in the ballet.
Mr. Rain calls it a Grey Poupon. It's anyone out there who's a dancer, especially if you have got any ballet training, you know what a grand jeté is.
She doesn't know what she's talking about.
Whatever. But he calls it a Grey Poupon. That's just been a running joke. So anyway, very off topic. Sorry about that. So I guess that's about it. And thank you again to all of our subscribers, everybody that follows us and interacts with us in any way. No one's greater or lesser than the other. We appreciate you all very, very much.
Yeah, just thank you for a great year and a half. It's been exciting for us. And I can remember the first time that we put a video together. It's pretty self-conscious.
Yeah, the first video Mr. Rain was in, I kind of caught him off guard.
Yeah.
He was working on the chicken coop.
Yeah, she kind of, yeah, that was one of the first ones.
That was the first one.
And she's, oh, we got to get you involved in this. No, I don't think so.
But
you'll notice that some of the first videos, it was all Mrs. Rain, so.
Yeah. And he didn't have much to say but a couple of grunts, I think, in that very first video. But I think it was, I don't remember which one it is, but I'll try to link it up here if I can find it. It has something to do with building the chicken coop and stuff.
Well, you didn't delete that one yet, huh?
No. But also, I wanted to remind everyone, I will be posting links to all the channels that we mentioned down below. And I'll also try to remember to find those interviews if you're interested. They're old, but the ones the one I did with Brad from Full Spectrum Survival, and then the one I did with Brad from Big Family Homestead. And I'll try to link those either up here in the iCards or in the end of this video, so you can find those if you're just curious about watching those. But and please go check out their channels, and if you're not, I'm sure most of you have already heard of all these channels, but if you haven't, please subscribe to them and just tell them that we sent you.
Right. Thanks. Keep watching. Like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and share our stuff if you want. Thanks for tuning in.
Take care.
God bless.